Long, long ago, in a beautiful green forest, there lived a big brown bear. The bear was strong, but he had a kind heart. Near a river, under a big tree, lived a small snake. One day, the bear came to the river to drink water. He saw the snake sitting near the tree. At first, the bear was surprised, but the snake politely said, "Don't be afraid. I only want to be your friend." The bear smiled and said, "A true friend is known by kindness, not by size." From that day, the bear and the snake became good friends. Every day they explored the forest together. The bear helped small animals reach high fruits, and the snake helped others find safe paths through the grass. One evening, a big storm came to the forest. Heavy rain fell, and many small animals became scared. The snake quickly found a safe cave and guided the animals inside. The bear stood outside the cave and protected everyone from the strong wind. He made sure all the animals were safe. After the storm ended, the forest animals thanked the bear and the snake. They said, "You both showed us that friendship and kindness are the greatest strengths." The bear and the snake continued to help everyone in the forest. Their friendship became a famous story that animals told for many years. Moral: kindness and true friendship can overcome any problem.